Hello, I'm Harry Flick TV. Remember it. You don't have to. Now I'm going to rant today about Thomas the Tank Engine, and no one, and I'm just gonna look in my Thomas the Tank Engine file. Let's see what we're ranting about. Let's see what Thomas we're ranting about today, shall we? Yeah. My comment file. Let's see. Set 17. No, that's not it. Ignore the Uncle Story of Timothy. No. Ghost James Bad Day. No. Comment on the Children. No, that's not it. The truth behind Thomas the Train. No, that's not it either. Here we go. The really bad C.G.I Thomas the Tank Engine. Now I have to admit, C.G.I Thomas can be quite good at times. Like the song Thomas You're the Leader and the new theme song, which it's not, I mean it's okay, but not as good as the original Thomas the Tank Engine. And let's just say that when I saw Thomas' mouth move for the first time, I was genuinely surprised. Because we all know how back in '84 Thomas was made by models, and it was really good, and it was a really good TV series. And I think it's a little terrifying because their mouths move, and I think I met this kid at the cinema who was a little afraid of Thomas the Tank Engine according to his mum, and he's lucky he didn't see the CGI Thomas. Actually, I don't know if he ever did, I forgot to ask him. But to be honest, if he ever saw C.G.I Thomas, I think he'd be pretty terrified. And yes, more terrified. Yes, I'm more terrified of C.G.I Thomas. I'm not said 17, but more terrifying, I think. But let's just say, if he said 17, Thomas's mouth doesn't immediately move like a human. Although it kind of, I mean, the concept was a little bit similar, like, spoiler alert, humans being biofused into trains, who the hell would believe that rubbish? But seriously though, C.G.I Thomas the Tank Engine was just so bad. The theme song was okay, I mean it was a tiny bit annoying, it wasn't great, it wasn't good, it wasn't bad, it was just okay, but not as good as the original theme song for Thomas the Tank Engine. And at least in Thomas and the Magical Railroad, their mouths didn't move. Because I really like Thomas and the Magical Railroad. And my brother Daniel saw it in the cinema, and he just jumped out of his seat and yelled, "Yeah!" When, spoiler alert, Diesel fell off the bridge. And yeah, I forgot to say, if you haven't actually seen Thomas and the Magical Railroad, then watch that first, then watch this video, because although this isn't a Thomas and the Magical Railroad review, I did just spoil it for you, so just watch it. Watch the movie if you what am I saying? I think I said 17 again, aren't I? Just don't watch the movie. Just don't watch the movie after watching this. And that's it for now. I don't know what to say really. Thomas the Tank Engine was really good back in the day, but now it's really rubbish. It might be good for little kids, but once they compare it to the original comic, they'll see it on a whole different level. Anyway, I have to go. I've got an interview with a really useful agent. Alright, goodbye. It's signing time. I'll be at signing time if you need me. And then from there I'll go to the island of Logo. If you wanna rewatch Thomas the Tank Engine, don't watch but watch in other words, watch the real Thomas the Tank Engine, the one from 1984.